Hello everyone, I'm Lorenzo. Today I will introduce a laser cleaning machine. The first step is to add water to the water cooler of the laser cleaning machine. When adding water, add distilled water or purified water. For the scale, try to add water around the yellow line for the first time, near the yellow line. Now you can power on the machine. A power on process. With this 380 伏 3-phase power. It is the live wire, neutral wire, and ground. This is a correct installation. After correct power on, then turn on the circuit breaker at the end of the machine. Now turn on the emergency stop of the machine. Emergency stop. After turning on the emergency stop, turn on the water cooler switch of the machine. Switch turned on. This is now the main interface of the machine. This is the power of the machine. This is the duty cycle. This is the frequency. This is the frequency of the laser. This is the mode. The default selection of the mode is continuous mode. This is the default. It doesn't work even if you click. This is the enablement. When you want to turn on the laser for emission, you need to turn on this button. Here is the scanning frequency of the laser. It is the scanning frequency of the galvanometer. By adjusting it, you can adjust the swing frequency of the entire cleaning pattern. This is used to adjust this. This is the width of the laser scan. Use it to adjust the scanning width from 0 to 270毫米. This is a machine. Here is the cleaning head. A real-time temperature display of the cleaning head. If the cleaning head is overheated, it will show the temperature overheating here and an alarm will be issued. Then here are the parameters. Here are the entire parameters of the machine. For example, if you want to project, then you can, according to your needs, save your own corresponding parameters. 2340. You can also choose a name you like. Save. This is okay. Then here are the advanced parameters. The password is 2000. Here, a word before entering. If there are no problems here, it is not recommended to change the content of the advanced parameters due to certain settings. Enter password 2000. Here is the content of an advanced parameter. You don't have to worry about these in general. Just keep the default parameters. Okay, this is the alarm. This is the most important interface. If an alarm occurs, here it will turn red. Indicates that an alarm needs to be cleared. The gray ones displayed now are all previous alarms. The screen that has been cleared now. Here is the clear alarm. Now click on the main interface of the system. If you want to switch the language, click on System Settings here. There is a language switch here. You can switch to any language you want. Then on the left, there is a control configuration on the left side of the screen. Click to enter the password. Advanced password 2000. As for later, there is a wireless switch and a temperature switch. Turn them all on. This state of opening. There is also a temperature configuration turned on. Then set the temperature to 40 摄氏度. In this way, when the temperature of the clear lens, the temperature of the lens exceeds this way, an alarm will be triggered inside the optical components from inside. How do we match it? Now click the wireless matching button. Click to start. Let's look at this small screen. Click OK and click to select. Click. Select an interface to match to wireless matching. Wait a moment. Wireless matching interface. At this time, long press the OK button to match. OK at this time, the screen shows that the match is successful. The system also shows that the match is successful. This time, The matching is successful.
Both parties have successfully matched.
At this time, turn on the temperature sensor. Okay, now it is completely possible. We have finished introducing
Then
the
let's
system.
introduce
How to turn on the laser. Because the current temperature, when the temperature of the water cooler is between 20到
this range.
30度, you can turn on the button of the laser. Avoid the temperature being too low. Turn on the laser causes heat dissipation to fail, so you must wait for the
To be
temperature
within the
before
appropriate
turning
range.
on the laser. Okay, now the temperature is
Within a
25
normal and
degrees.
reasonable range.
No alarm.
No
Okay, now
abnormal
we
field.
turn on the laser switch. Okay, now we turn on the laser switch. Laser now stops button. The green light is on. Indicates that it has been turned on. You don't need to worry about it in subsequent
You don't need to worry
operations.
about the
Use
laser
this switch
excitation and
Use
stop.
this switch as the main control switch to protect the cleaning head from dust pollution. So use 8 毫米 air pipe. Insert dry compressed air or other pure gas. Okay, let's turn on the red light preview function of the machine. The machine swings. Switch for the galvanometer swing. Laser enable switch. Okay, now you can start cleaning. We must wear our before cleaning. We must wear our
Be
before
sure to
cleaning.
wear
our professional protective glasses. Avoid eye damage. Our laser cleaning head has a laser protection function. So look here. When we long press the laser emission button below, when using it for the
Long
first
press for
time, about 5 到 10 seconds, this will light up. Indicates that the shutter has been opened. Then release it and open it again. The laser will be emitted. Let's start the demonstration
now.
Long press. Laser protection switch. The cleaning head has started to light up here. It has started to light up. It means it has been turned on. Release it at this time. Release the long pressed button. It still keeps lighting up. Then click again. The light will come out. Our cleaning distance is about 600毫米. Must blow diagonally. Cleaning diagonally. The angle is about 60 degrees. In this way, it can be avoided to the greatest extent. Contaminants to contaminate our
Also
protective
confirm
chip. Whether our blowing is turned on. Whether it can be correct. Blow away the contaminants. Let's take a look at the correct use. This is a correct use. Click again. Click again and it will light up. During the cleaning process, do not put the cleaning head at people or other dangerous places, because the laser emitted by the cleaning head is a levels laser. According to the classification, it is a class
It is
laser
harmful
to the human body. Okay, after we finish cleaning, we need to put the cleaning head back and place it on the installation device to avoid it from being damaged or
and
contaminated.
put on the
protective cover of the cleaning head. We shut down. If you want to shut down, turn off the laser switch first. Then turn off the emergency stop switch. Turn off the air switch at the end of the machine. Turn off the circuit breaker of the link line. Okay, you must check the protective lens before. Is it clean and tidy? Is it polluted? If you can look at it this way. If it is polluted, if the protective lens is contaminated, it must be replaced at a low time. Avoid contamination of the lens. Possible damage to other protective lenses. We recommend that you must check once. In the process of replacement, cleaning when cleaning the protective lens. If you find contaminants on the protective lens, you must use professional alcohol wipes or other anhydrous ethanol for cleaning. Wipe and clean. During the wiping and cleaning process, the environment must be kept clean and tidy. Avoid dust from entering again. Other damage to the gun body. Let's teach you now. Let's teach you how to replace the protective lens. Let's show you how to replace the protective lens. First, unscrew the two fixing screws counterclockwise. If you can't unscrew them, you can use a flat blade screwdriver to disassemble. Put it aside. Be sure to turn it counterclockwise. Okay. Professional lens wiping paper towel. Remove the protective lens. If there is contamination, wipe it with alcohol wipes. Keep it clean and tidy. If a small round dot appears in the center, or other contaminants, you need to replace the new protective lens immediately. At the same time, do not touch the protective lens directly with your hands secondary scratches and leave fingerprints and other contaminants. This is the protective lens that needs to be replaced. If the lens is contaminated, it needs to be disassembled. Take off the old one and replace it with the new one. Okay. Lens cleaning is complete. Be sure not to touch the center of the lens with your hands. Now we put it back. This is the whole process of replacing the protective lens. When we encounter the inside of the lens, a buzzing sound, the sound of abnormal motor rotation. When we sometimes hear, there is a buzzing sound inside the cleaning head. That is because the motor is sometimes rotating abnormally. Sometimes I find the handle of the cleaning head is abnormally hot. Otherwise, there will be a lot of noise or heat. These are all problems inside the lens. At this time, you need to stop working and contact after-sales staff immediately. Actual cleaning effect demonstration.